This is how you're going to set up Etsy shipping on listing. First step is you're going to head over to Etsy.com, and then once you're on your Etsy page, you're going to make sure that you are logged in or signed in. So if you're not yet signed in, you're just going to click on this button right here that usually says sign in or sign up, and then you're just going to log in with your account. Now after that, you're going to head over to your shop manager. Just click on the shop manager icon right here at the top right of your screen, and then from here you're just going to click listings from the left panel. You're going to select a product or click an add listing, and then scroll to the delivery section, and then from here just click on enter custom shipping options or add a shipping profile. You're just going to set shipping origin, which is your country, processing time, delivery services, which you're going to have to choose your courier or use Etsy suggestions, and then you're also going to toggle on free shipping, although this is optional and if only you want to set it. And then after that, you're going to click on save as shipping profile if you want to reuse it. Finally, you're just going to publish or update to your listing. And that's it. That is how you're going to set up Etsy shipping on listing. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.